Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In the last session, we created the Azure MySQL server. So here now we have to create the Azure data migration service. Okay, so let me go to the Azure portal and let me try to find out the data migration service. Yeah, it would be Azure data migration service. Let me select that. Let me create. Our target is no, my resource would be MySQL and the target also would be Azure MySQL. Let me select that. MySQL to Azure database for the MySQL. Then you have to click on start. I can let me click on next. Let me select the resource group. The resource group would be the remain same. Like you can take an example. TMS is my resource group name. And service name we can define like the MySQL database migration. Location we can select like the central India or any location. Okay, but for my demo I'm taking the different region here with central US. Okay, networking tagging is not required. Yeah, sorry, the networking makes sure we have to define the bnet name. If any existing bnet is there, you can select that. Otherwise you can give any name, so that while creating the DMS service, the you know required bnet can be created automatic. Okay, just need to define the bnet name. That's it. The bnet would be created automatic with the data migration service. Tagging other things you can keep as it is. Don't need to require to define. Let me create it now. So it is initialize the deployment. It will take a little bit time to get it deployed. Now it is accepted and the deployment in the progress status. You can see it created automatic, another VNet, right? As I told you, if still VNet is not there, also it will create the VNet service with the our DMS, right? Data migration service. So don't require to create the VNet earlier. Okay, if you have existing one, you can select that. Otherwise, you can just need to give the VNet name. That's it. So once created the Azure TMS service, in the next session, we'll create the project. Then we can perform the activity. Like we have two type of activity here. One would be the offline and second would be replication changes. In the offline, it would be in the one time activity, like to uh, migrate the bulk of data in one shot. Okay, the incremental data cannot be changes using this offline mode. In order to replicate the real-time data, we have to choose the replication mode. Okay, so you have to use two mode, offline mode and replication mode. The deployment is has been completed. So what we'll do, guys, in the next session we'll connect and we'll create the project for other activity. Okay, so thank you, guys.